In this video, I will show you how to decode QR code. So open my this website techproadvice.com and visit this tool QR code decoder. Open this code and here guys upload a picture with a QR code in it, and this decoder will try to read it and show the decoded text contents. So you need a picture with QR code and choose a file and decode. So choose a file and decode. So this is the easy and simple way guys. You can decode any QR code. It's completely free. It's my own. So use and comment this method work for you or not, and what's your experience about this website. Thanks for watching.